Do you want to make Valorant look brighter and more colorful? If you're using an AMD graphics card, these settings can make the game way easier to see. But don't worry, because you can also do the same steps depending on what graphics card you have. First, right-click on your desktop and open your AMD graphics software. Once it opens, go to the gaming section, then click on display. If you don't see the display settings right away, check inside the settings area instead. Depending on your AMD version, the layout can look a little different. Now enable custom color. Once that's turned on, you'll get access to extra color controls. After that, increase the color saturation. The default is usually around 100, but try raising it to around 180 or 200 to make Valorant look brighter and more vibrant. Next, open Valorant, head into graphics settings. Turn on bloom quality. This helps brighten effects and makes colors pop a bit more in-game. Your Valorant should now look brighter and easier to see. Try adjusting the saturation slightly if you want even stronger colors. If this video helped you, please leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.